Happy Tuesday, data people. So today I wanted to show you how you can actually use a semantic model that lives on your service as a data source for another semantic model. I know this isn't always the ideal way to get your data, but let's say you did some complex transformations in that one model and you wanted to bring back some of those aggregations to use them in a different type of context. That might be a reason why you use this. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect to a model on my service with an analysis services connection, and I'm going to bring it into this existing model. So I first have to go to the service and get the connection. So let me go there. I'm going to go to my workspace. Um, I'm on my sales workspace, so I'm going to go into my refresh schedule here. And then in here, I can get my server settings, and then this gives me the connection string that I'm looking for to help with that connection. I'm just going to copy it. So now I'm going to my physical Power BI semantic model. I'm going to get data like I typically would. And I'm going to look for an analysis services connection here. I'm going to connect. I can put in that server. I'm going to drop the data source. And then I'm going to drop this initial catalog here. And then I'll put product here. That should give me a connection to that database. I'm going to say import. And what I can do is I can actually write a DAX query. What I like to do personally is in the model or in a report itself off of the model, I like to run the performance analyzer so I can essentially have it write the DAX query for me. And what this does, I'll show you right here. So I'm in my model. I'm going to go to edit, and I think I can get performance analyzer here. And now I can I can start recording and refresh my visuals. And then this gives me the query behind the scenes. So let's see what one, total sales by name. I'll do that. And I can copy this query. And then I can just bring it here. And this essentially should give me the layout that I'm looking for within this model. The biggest thing is here, just make sure you have enough top end rows to be able to bring everything in here. So we'll do OK. And it gives us the output that I'm looking for. And I'm just going to load it. I'm not going to go any further for you with that. But again, really cool. I know sometimes we just do really complex transformations within Power BI itself, and you might want to use those so you don't have to recreate all of that, all the logic, the requirements. You can just bring that into your semantic model. You just have to be kind of a couple things to be aware of though is dependencies. So you're gonna have to make sure that first model refreshes before this. I think that might be the only one. Yeah, that's the only one I can think of. But I hope you enjoyed this and happy Power BIing, everybody. Talk to you later.